The manufacturing program really is just, I don't know, there's something special about it because when you walk in here, it feels superficial, but you just come in here and there's pressurized tanks lining every wall, and there's these huge electric machines that you can fuse steel together, and we got plasma tables and just everything to make anything, and it's I don't know, it's perfect in here, you know?
Students begin the course by mastering the basics of a machine tool process, then move to more advanced projects.
So this class is a bunch of hands-on. I mean, yeah, you have to do some book work and tests and stuff and safety-wise, but you do a lot of hands-on where the instructor will run through the demo and then it's just you go.
In this class, you learn by the book. So you need to, when something's a little dirty, you need to start over. And I think that's analogous of the real world.
In this world, experience is everything, and our teacher, or both our teacher and our instructor, have years of experience. You can just absorb all that knowledge like a sponge.
The difference between like learning calculus or like reading some textbook, and then I get to come down here and make a project that I entirely made myself out of materials that I found myself just for the sake of it. It really is something.